Now, let me tell you about the next one that I have come up with. And this was literally just one morning I was thinking, what are other ways I could use the pumpkin spice paleo protein? And that is in yogurt. So I love yogurt, and I want to give a shout out to a local Austin company called Cocolina. So Elle has been eating this coconut yogurt, and I do think they're expanding other places. So if you don't live in Austin, hopefully you'll find them soon. If you do live in Austin, I know that they're available at Central Market and hopefully Whole Foods soon. But this yogurt Elle has been eating since she started eating solid foods. And I mean, can't even tell you how delicious this yogurt is. It's plain yogurt, and it basically is coconut cream. I don't know if you can see how kind of the lighting is bad in here, but how thick and delicious that is. Anyway, there was a time we were in Santa Fe, and Elle loved this so much. I can't even tell you the lengths that we went to get some of this, and the owners have been so kind to me and to Elle. So anyway, I was opening up some yogurt to eat in the morning, and then I put in a scoop of paleo protein pumpkin spice flavor, and it was outstanding. I suppose you could use any flavor you want. So anyway, just, you know, put in the yogurt, put in a scoop of the pumpkin spice paleo protein powder, and this, it blends really easy and mixes up really easy. And it is, you know, just having I guess you could eat it like that. I mix it up. Let me stir it up here real quick and show you blended. So it thickens the yogurt a little bit. Most importantly, it adds 21 more grams of protein to your yogurts. If you're following, you know, AIP, if you're doing keto, something like that, I'm making a mess over here, then this is great. So it's just, you know, solid fats and protein. Anyway, let me probably put a little too much here. I tend to do that. So I just mix it up, and it is so rich and creamy and delicious. So it is a very, very simple recipe. Yogurt, we have a yogurt recipe in the Autoimmune Solution Cookbook as well. So you, of course, can, you know, make your own yogurt. Making your own is always preferred in any scenario. So you can make your own yogurt, or you can look for a really clean source. So Cocolina here in Austin, this is organic coconut cream essentially, and then has a little bit, does have a little bit of gum in it, and then of course just probiotics. So I'm gonna have a quick bite. Oh my God, that's my favorite. I've been eating that literally every day. And then if you want, I have a granola recipe on page 94 of the Autoimmune Solution Cookbook. Put that on top. It is to die for. I mean, you could actually make it a dessert. Thinking of all these ideas.